Hey everyone! Using the slash command to find arrows is the most efficient way to browse through various styles without taking your hands off the keyboard. In 2026, Notion's menu is optimized for speed, allowing you to find exactly the right visual cue in seconds. Step 1. Triggering the emoji menu. We are starting inside any Notion page. We're heading to the slash command menu. We do this to bypass the mouse and pull up the built-in media selector directly at your cursor. Type /emoji on a new line or in the middle of a sentence. Hit enter immediately. This will trigger the emoji search pop-up window. Step 2. Searching for the perfect arrow. Now we're in the emoji search field. We're heading to the symbol library. We do this to filter through thousands of icons to find the specific direction and style you need. Type the word arrow. You will see a variety of options, including standard directions, stylized versions, action arrows. Use your arrow keys on the keyboard to highlight your choice and hit enter to insert it into your text. Once you hit enter, the emoji is treated as a text character. Instead of using standard dots, use an arrow at the start of a line to show a step-by-step progression. It makes your instructions look more like a roadmap and less like a list. Use the red or blue arrow emojis to highlight the most important link or database on a page. In the interface, these colorful symbols pop against Notion's minimalist background. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.